Hello, today we're going to unbox the Meatest M143 Calibrator. I've already removed the outer box, so let's pop open this inner box and see what we've got inside. Okay, we have one package of accessories, another accessory, calibration certificate, and we have the calibrator itself. I'm going to lift that out of his box and get rid of our box. Let's take off the styrofoam padding. Okay, and here we have our Meatest M143 Calibrator, 20 amp version. Full pop version, and you can see it's got a handle on the side, transport handle. It's got you've got your power input, fan, possible GPIB extensions, and let's spin it around again. Let's see what we got in the accessory bag. So again, the calibration certificate we've got. We've got a PT1000 temperature probe with a serial connection that clips in right on the front. Give you your cold junction reference right there. And finally, some more accessories. Let's open up the package. Okay, so I can see right off the bat there's a power cable in here. North American style power cable, very important. Here's your serial RS-232 connection cable. Red and black banana test leads, high quality. And a couple of spare fuses just in case. And that's what's inside the box of the Meatest M143. Thank you.